How to make money by selling digital products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by selling printable minimalist art prints on Etsy. So let's get started by showing you some examples of the product that you will be selling. Then I'm going to introduce you to a spying tool that is going to help you find out if this is really a winning product or not. And also this spying tool is going to help you in the future when it comes to finding out other winning products, and also when it comes to spying on other shops or other competitors to see what are the products that are working on, or also to find out the products that are making them the most amount of money and the products that are not making any money, to avoid losing your time or on products that are not winning, or on products that are not going to make you any money. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own digital products without even paying anyone to create them for you, and also by just adjusting the what was created before without even creating them from scratch. So here, let's get started by showing you some examples of printable minimalist art prints. So let's click on search and let's give it a few seconds to load. So here it's still loading, because whenever you see the whenever you see the results has Add by Etsy seller written in here instead of the name of the shop, that means it's not a popular product and it's not the product that it meant it to be in the front line. So let's just give it a few seconds to complete loading. Then we will be able to see products that are the ones that deserve to be in the first line, and also you will see in here that the name of the shop will be written, not Add by Etsy seller. So let's give it a few seconds to load. Then we will be able to choose one of those products to check, and also to take the name of the shop in order to use the spying tool to show you how you can read the insights and the data that the spying tool is going to help you in order to find out if that product is really a winning that deserves to spend your time on or not. So here, after the loading completed, we have a lot of products here. We have this one here, which is Etsy's pick, minimalist lines art, neutral beige prints. And here we have this one here, which is also Etsy's pick, minimalist light beige. Another one in here. So you have a lot of products in here, but we just need to choose one of them. Let's choose this one here, which is Etsy's pick. So let's choose this one and let's give it a few seconds to load. Then we will take the name of this shop in order to use it when it comes to spying. So here, let's take the name, copy the name of the shop, and let's go to Everbee, which is the spying tool I'm going to show you. So let's wait for the spying tool to load. Let's remove all of that. And here, everbee.io. Let's wait for it to load again. I just wanted to do that to erase the data that they have kept. So here, let's sign up for free, and here it will load right away. And here we are going to use this tool, which is the shop analyzer. Let's give it a few seconds to complete loading. Then we are going to use the shop analyzer, which is the tool that we are going to use when it comes to spying on shops. So here, let's come back to the product analytics. Then we are going to come back again to the shop analyzer. So here, this is the product analytics. If you want to spy on products, but we want to spy on the whole shop to see the other products that are making the money, and also to see when the product was created, how much sales they've got, and also to see the products that are popular for them. So we are going to see all of the data that we want to see just in a bit. Just give it a few seconds to load, and you will be able to see whatever you like. So here they have a total of 1,618 listings, and here if you go to your right, you will see that this shop was created 35 months ago, and they have made 30,000 sales in 35 months. So that's a lot of money, which means they are making approximately a grand per month. So making 1,000 sales per month, and if you can just multiply that 1,000 by 5 or 4 or 10 based on the prices of the product, you will see that these people are making well over $5,000 per month just as a passive income, just from creating digital products, listing them on their Etsy shop, then going to bed, and whenever they wake up they can see the money that they are making. So let's look for the product here, which is minimalist lines art. Let's click on this product, and here you can see that it was created or listed 35 months ago, which means they have listed this product in their beginnings, because this shop was created 35 months ago, which means they have listed this product from the get-go, and they are making a 2 sales per month with this product, because based on the reviews you can guess the amount of sales, because half of the people that buy the product leave a review, which means they are making 2 sales with this product per month, and they have made approximately 100 sales over 35 months. And that's a winning product for me, because in digital products, guys, you won't need to do or to deal with any of the problems that physical products has. You will only create the product, list it on Etsy, then go to bed, sleep, forget about the product. Just make sure to check from time to time to get your money from Etsy. That's all you will need to do. So here I'm going to show you how you can create a product like that using canva.com, because this is a really a winning product that having on your Etsy shop won't harm, but also having it on your Etsy shop, it will do, or it will make you money without even lifting a finger after that. So here let's type the name of the product, Printable Minimalist Art, and let's drop the name here, give it a few seconds to load, and you'll be able to see a lot of templates that you can adjust or add your touch to have your own product ready to be listed on your Etsy shop. As you can see here, you have a lot of examples. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.